Don't let heartburn ruin your day. Watch this video to learn the top 10 home remedies for quick relief. We'll cover what causes heartburn, common triggers like spicy foods and late-night eating, and effective ways to prevent it through diet and lifestyle changes. Heartburn is characterized by a burning sensation in the chest or throat, often after meals or when lying down, caused by stomach acid moving into the esophagus. Lifestyle factors like overeating, smoking, and tight clothing, along with dietary triggers such as spicy foods and caffeine, can worsen symptoms. By understanding these triggers, you can take control of your digestive health and find relief from heartburn discomfort. The content in this video is for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Consult your healthcare provider for any medical concerns. Home remedies may have varying effects and can interact with medications or have side effects. Research each remedy thoroughly, especially if you have existing health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Why try home remedies for heartburn? Unlike some medications, home remedies are gentler on your body and usually have fewer side effects. Plus, you won't have to worry about taking them for a long time like some heartburn meds. The best part? Most home remedies are super affordable and easy to find. They use common ingredients you might already have in your kitchen, like baking soda, ginger, or chamomile tea. Let's discuss the 10 home remedies for heartburn. From the list, try with the remedies you are comfortable with. Home remedy 1, baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural antacid that can help ease heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid. Mixing 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in water and slowly drinking it can provide relief from the burning sensation of heartburn. However, it's essential to use baking soda as a short-term remedy only, as excessive intake may lead to side effects like gas, bloating, and metabolic alkalosis. Remember to consult a healthcare provider for persistent or severe heartburn issues. Home remedy 2, ginger. Ginger can be a natural solution for heartburn relief. This spice has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the irritated lining of your esophagus, the tube connecting your mouth to your stomach. Heartburn happens when stomach acid flows back up, causing a burning feeling. Ginger helps reduce this inflammation and ease the discomfort. You can try drinking ginger tea made with fresh ginger root steeped in hot water, or chew a small piece of ginger. However, too much ginger can cause stomach upset. Skip the ginger ale. It often has little real ginger and might contain fizz that can worsen heartburn. Opt for fresh ginger or high-quality ginger supplements for the best results. Home remedy 3, aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a natural remedy with soothing and healing properties that can help alleviate heartburn. It works by reducing inflammation and promoting the healing of the esophageal lining, which can become irritated and inflamed from stomach acid reflux. Aloe vera juice contains compounds like polysaccharides and plant sterols that have anti-inflammatory effects, helping to ease discomfort. It also supports the healing of the digestive tract's mucosal lining, aiding in recovery from acid reflux damage. To use aloe vera juice for heartburn relief, drink 1/2 cup about 20 minutes before a meal to coat and soothe the esophagus, potentially reducing the risk of heartburn and acid reflux after eating. Home remedy 4, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a home remedy that can potentially ease heartburn by boosting stomach acid production. Mixing 1-2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in water and consuming it before meals may stimulate acid production, aiding digestion and preventing acid reflux. However, it may not work for everyone and could worsen symptoms for some individuals. If discomfort occurs, stop using it immediately. Consult a healthcare professional before trying apple cider vinegar, especially if you have a history of acid reflux. Addressing underlying causes and making dietary and lifestyle changes are essential for long-term heartburn management, rather than relying solely on apple cider vinegar. Home remedy 5, fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are a natural remedy for digestive issues, including heartburn. They contain anethole, which helps relax the digestive tract and promote enzyme production, aiding digestion and reducing acid reflux. Their anti-spasmodic properties, meaning reduction of excessive smooth muscle contractility, also help relieve gas and bloating, which can exacerbate heartburn by increasing abdominal pressure. To use fennel seeds for heartburn relief, chew about 1/2 teaspoon of seeds after meals. chewing releases beneficial compounds that aid digestion. Alternatively, make fennel tea by steeping crushed seeds in hot water for several minutes. Sipping this tea can soothe the digestive tract and alleviate heartburn symptoms. Home Remedy 6. Yogurt with Probiotics. Yogurt with probiotics is a beneficial home remedy for managing heartburn by promoting a healthy gut environment. Probiotics, the good bacteria in yogurt, support proper digestion and help balance stomach acidity to reduce acid reflux, a common cause of heartburn. By aiding in efficient food breakdown, probiotics prevent undigested food from lingering in the stomach and triggering acid reflux. They also strengthen the stomach and intestinal linings, protecting against acid irritation and the resulting heartburn discomfort. When choosing yogurt for heartburn relief, opt for plain, low-fat varieties with live and active cultures to ensure probiotic benefits. While yogurt with probiotics works for many, it may not suit everyone, so monitor your body's response and discontinue use if adverse effects occur or symptoms worsen. Home Remedy 7. Chewing gum. Chewing gum is a simple and effective home remedy for heartburn relief. By stimulating saliva production, chewing gum helps neutralize stomach acid and reduce the burning sensation associated with heartburn. Increased swallowing while chewing gum also helps push stomach acid back into the stomach, easing discomfort. Opt for sugar-free gum to avoid dental issues like cavities and tooth decay, as well as to prevent worsening heartburn symptoms. Sugar-free gum, sweetened with xylitol, boosts saliva production without promoting acid production or harming oral health. Choosing sugar-free gum offers a practical way to manage heartburn symptoms, care for your teeth, and limit sugar intake effectively. Home Remedy 8. Bananas. Bananas are a natural remedy for heartburn, known for their antacid properties. Packed with potassium, they help balance stomach acid levels, reducing acidity and easing heartburn discomfort. The fiber in bananas aids digestion, preventing excess acid buildup and reducing the risk of reflux. Bananas also boost mucus production in the stomach lining, forming a protective barrier against acid to soothe the esophagus and relieve heartburn symptoms. To maximize benefits, opt for ripe bananas when experiencing heartburn, as they are easier to digest and more effective in neutralizing acid. Simply peel and eat a ripe banana at the onset of heartburn for quick relief, or include them regularly in your diet to prevent heartburn. Home Remedy 9. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a soothing and anti-inflammatory remedy for heartburn, known for its calming effects on the digestive system. Rich in compounds like flavonoids and terpenoids, chamomile relaxes gastrointestinal muscles, reducing acid reflux and heartburn. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the stomach and esophagus lining, providing relief from discomfort. Chamomile tea's mild sedative properties promote relaxation, easing stress and anxiety that can trigger heartburn by reducing stomach acid production. Enjoying chamomile tea after meals or before bedtime can effectively manage and prevent heartburn, offering a gentle and natural solution for those seeking relief without medication. Home Remedy 10. Licorice root. Licorice root is a natural remedy known for its ability to increase the protective mucus lining in the esophagus, shielding it from stomach acid and reducing the effects of acid reflux. This barrier helps alleviate irritation and inflammation, easing the burning sensation of heartburn. Deglycyrrhizinated licorice, DGL supplements are a safer option for consuming licorice root, as they remove the compound glycyrrhizin, which can have adverse effects like increased blood pressure in large amounts. DGL supplements can enhance mucus production in the esophagus when taken before meals, providing a natural and effective way to manage and relieve heartburn symptoms. This is available as a tablet or as a liquid. Lifestyle tips to prevent heartburn. To prevent heartburn, make lifestyle changes like eating smaller, more frequent meals to reduce pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, LES. Avoid lying down for 2-3 hours after eating to prevent acid reflux. Overeating, smoking, tight clothing, spicy foods, and caffeine can worsen symptoms. Wear loose-fitting clothing to avoid increasing abdominal pressure. Elevate the head of your bed by 6-8 inches, or use a wedge pillow to reduce nighttime heartburn. Manage stress with meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises to decrease stomach acid production and prevent the LES from relaxing. These adjustments can help prevent and manage heartburn, leading to a healthier and more comfortable life. When to seek medical help. If you have frequent heartburn, difficulty swallowing, persistent sore throat, chronic cough, or chest pain spreading to your arm, neck, or jaw, it may be GERD. Seek medical help if these symptoms occur more than twice a week. Don't ignore persistent or severe heartburn. Consult a healthcare provider if OTC medications and lifestyle changes don't help. Chronic heartburn can lead to complications like esophagitis or Barrett's esophagus, increasing the risk of esophageal cancer. Healthcare providers can diagnose the issue and suggest treatments like medications, lifestyle adjustments, or surgery. For persistent, severe, or unusual heartburn symptoms, early medical advice is essential for improving your quality of life and preventing complications. While home remedies and lifestyle changes can assist with occasional heartburn, professional medical guidance is crucial for chronic or severe cases. We'd love to hear from you. Share your own experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay safe.